welcome back to another beautiful edition of Maths Made Easy with Victor. And I don't forget, I will be your captain in this journey of mathematics. I'll be taking you through mathematics from the basic to the advanced level. And once again, if you have any problem, don't forget to drop it right there at the comment section so I can always attend to you. And my email, my phone number will be dropped right there if you want to do home training for your kids for exam, or you have any exam coming up. If you want to contact me to train your children on mathematics, I'm right here in Lagos. I'll be always available to train your kids. So you can contact me on my WhatsApp. It will be dropped right there on the comment section. So thank you. I'll see you soon. Yeah, in our last class, we are talking about simultaneous linear and quadratic equation. So this is going to be a continuation class. We solved one problem the other time. Today we shall be looking at another problem. So let's look at this problem. It said solve the equation where we have 2x minus y is equal to 8 and we have 3x minus y is equal to 17. Here we're going to solve this problem using elimination method. I hope we understand elimination method which is used in our first example. So we have 2x minus y is equal to 8 to be equation 1. And we have 3x minus y equal to 17 to be what? Equation 2. Now we're going to use elimination method like I said before to solve this particular question. So since we have 2x minus y is equal to 8 to be equation 1, and we have 3x minus y equal to 17 to be equation 2. Now we have to multiply equation 1 by equation 2. Then we multiply again equation 2 by equation 1. So multiplying equation 1 by equation 2, we have 2 times 3x will give us 6x plus 2 times 3x will give us 6x plus 2 times y will give us 2y plus 2 times 17 will give us equal to what? 34. Now we want to multiply equation 2 by equation 1. So 3 times 2 will give us 6x as well. 3 times y will give us minus 3y. And 3 times 8 will give us 24. Now if you look at this, we have like terms here. What are the like terms? We have 6s here and we have 6s here. That is where the elimination comes in. So 6s we eliminate 6s. So we now have plus 2y and minus 3y remaining. So if you look at this very well, this will now give us, we will now minus equation, let's take this to be equation 4 and this to be equation 3. So we'll now minus equation 4 from equation 3. This will now give us 3x minus 2y will give us y, right? So we now have y. So we now let's use minus equation 4 minus equation 3. So 3x minus y will give us 3y minus 2y will give us y. And 24 minus 34 will give us minus 10. So minus will cancel each other. Minus will cancel out this minus here. So y is equal to what? 10. This is our answer. We've gotten our y. So then what do we do? How do we get our x? So we substitute y in equation 1 to get our x. Since we have our y to be 10 here, so let's substitute in this equation 1, which is 2x minus y equals to 8. So we have 2x minus y is equal to, so we now have 2x minus y is equals to 10. So we now have 2x minus 10 is equals to what? 8. So 2x is equals to 8 plus 10. How do you get 8 plus 10? When this 10 crosses the sign of equal and crosses to the over, because it's minus 10 here, it will now change to plus 10. The sign of minus changes to plus. Answer, we've gotten our y. So then what do we do? How do we get our x? So we substitute y in equation 1 to get our x. Since we have our y to be 10 here, so let's substitute in this equation 1, which is 2x minus y equals to 8. So we have 2x minus y is equal to, so we now have 2x minus y is equals to 10. So we now have 2x minus 10 is equals to what? 8. So 2x is equals to 8 plus 10. How do you get 8 plus 10? when this 10 crosses the sign of equal and crosses to the over, is because it's minus 10 here, it will now change to plus 10. The sign of minus changes to plus when it crosses the sign of equal to. So this brings us to 2x equals to 8 plus 10, which equals to 18. So we'll now divide now. We'll leave x alone. When we leave x alone, this 2 now comes down here. So this gives us 18 divided by 2, which is equals to 9. So now we have our y to be 10 and we have our x to be 9. Now let's check if we are right. In our equation 1, we have 2x minus y is equals to 8. So let's check if we are right from equation 1. Let's check this equation 1. We have 2x, x now is 9 minus 10 and minus y, and y is what? 10. Y is 10, x is 9. It's equals to 8. Let's see. 8 in 2 times 9 will give us 18 minus y, which is 10. Y is equals to 10. 2 times 9 equals to 18. 18 minus y. 18 minus 10 is equal to what? 8. It means our equation 1 is 100% right. Now let's check our equation 2. From equation 2, we have a 3x minus y is equal to 17, right? So what is our x? Our x is equal to 9. So we now have 3x, 3 times 9. 9 minus 3x minus y is equal to 17. So our x is 9 and our y is equal to 10. It's equal to 17. So 3 times 9, 27 minus 10 is equal to 17. You can see our answers are all correct. It means that y is equal to 10 and x equals to 9. That is the answer. If you have this in your exam, you have a 100% score. So the checking is balanced and everything is correct. Thank you very much.